Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my full review of this soft nylon sports third-party band for the Apple Watch SE first generation. So what I'm going to do in today's video is give you guys and gals my overall thoughts and opinions on this band, and then I'm going to talk about whether or not I think this band is worth picking up. So hopefully by the end of this video, you guys and gals know if this band is worth picking up. But before we dive into that, let's do some quick housekeeping, and then let's jump into today's video. So recording the video here today, we are using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality, as well as what you guys and gals think of the overall audio quality as well. If this video piques your guys and gals interest and you would like to know where you can pick up this third-party watch band for your Apple Watch, or you would like to know where you can see any more coverage on any other Apple accessories that I've featured on the channel, I'll link up all of my extended coverage on this Apple Watch SE and all of my other Apple coverage on the channel down below in the video description. And like I said, if you're interested in picking up this third-party band for your Apple Watch or any other Apple products that I've featured on the channel, all the affiliated bio links to where you guys and gals can pick up these products at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description as well. So as always, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And if you guys and gals decide to make your purchases using those affiliate buy links located down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of kickback or commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliate links are what I consider to be a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Alright, housekeeping done. Now let's dive into today's full review. So I'm going to make this review really easy today. We're just going to summarize the positives of this watch band, then we're going to summarize the negatives of this watch band, and then I'm going to give you guys and gals my overall final thoughts and make an overall recommendation, and then we're going to talk about the overall pricing and availability as well. Alright, so diving directly into it, let's summarize these positives. Now, in my time with this third-party band, I have to say the overall comfort level of this band is top notch. Regardless of whatever I was doing with this band, I didn't have any issues in terms of comfort. Alright, so the comfort level on this is top notch. Moving on. When we talk about the overall installation of this band on the Apple Watch, it was top notch. Everything slotted in real nicely and there was really no issues. So the overall installation on this one is top notch as well. And I have to say, this particular watch band is available in a variety of different colors, and it's also available at a really great price. We're going to talk about the pricing and availability in a little bit here. But that, guys and gals, essentially goes over all of the positives of this watch band. Now let's take a few minutes to go over all of the negatives of this watch band. And honestly, guys and gals, in my time with this watch band, there's only really been one major negative. And that one major negative is the Velcro clasping mechanism here. Right? So you guys and gals can see I had it in a nice comfortable position, but because there's no additional holder, when I unclasp it, it gets automatically loose, and then I'm forced struggling to do the hurry up and clasp it dance here so I can get it nice and tight back to where I had it. This is a negative for me because I don't wear this watch every day. I don't wear it all day, I should say. I sleep with it on, and then in the mornings I take it off and put it on the charger while I'm getting ready and I'm jumping in the shower. So there are times when I have to take it off and then put it back on after I get ready, and to have to fight with that rotating clasping struggle there, you know, that was the biggest negative that I ran across in my time with this band. Now, I feel as though that could have been alleviated if they incorporated another locking mechanism on the Velcro portion itself. Like you put a locker up here, so this way when you loosen it, you can tighten it to that locking point, and then it kind of holds itself, and then you can lock it down, and it should be good to go. If they would have incorporated that into the build and design of this band, this would have gotten rid of all the negatives that I've experienced. And in particular, that was the only negative that I've experienced. So, and I kind of did it really good in the video, but I gotta tell y'all, in the just over a week that I've been using this watch band, that has been a struggle, and that has gotten very, very frustrating. Y'all don't know how frustrating it is to be ready to go, ready to start my day. I take off my watch off the charger, and I'm spending about 2 to 3 minutes struggling to put the band on, or put the watch on and get it into a nice comfortable position. So if the overall build quality and design could have been improved and added that extra locking mechanism, I feel like that would have alleviated all of that struggle and frustration that I experienced with this band. All right. But other than that, that goes over the negatives that I've experienced with this band, that being the only one, and that goes over the positives as well. All right. Now, I'll be sure to throw up a full list of the positives and negatives that I've experienced in my time with this band. And one thing I want everybody to keep in mind is that these videos are just based on my overall experiences and my overall opinions. So everybody is entitled to their own experiences and opinions. That being said, if you guys and gals decide to pick up this watch band for yourself and you experience a positive and or a negative that I did not mention in this video, please leave that feedback down below in the comments, because only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the products that we spend our hard-earned money on. Okay? So please provide your feedback if you do decide to pick this up. Now, that goes over the positives, that goes over the negatives. Now let's dive into the final part of this review. Let's talk about the overall pricing and availability. Let me get into sharing my overall final thoughts and make a recommendation. Now, in terms of the pricing, in the interest of full disclosure, as I said in the unboxing, first impressions and installation guide video, this was another product that came into the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So what does that mean? This was another product that came into the channel completely free of charge. All I had to do was use the product and then write up and submit a full written review on the product to be published on Amazon, and then the product is mine to keep. But as I always say, that in no way, shape, form, or fashion influences my overall opinions on these products. Okay? That being said, I did still do my due diligence and scour the internet, and I found the current available pricing for this third-party Apple Watch band. Okay? And we're going to go over that right now. So in terms of the pricing and availability, this particular watch band comes in a variety of different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colors, and it is available at all of the sizes for your Apple Watch. And in particular, it is also available for all the versions of your Apple Watch. So regardless of if you have an Apple Watch Ultra, first or second gen, or you have an Apple Watch SE, like I have, first or second generation, or you have the standard Apple Watch generation 9 or lower, these particular bands should be compatible with all the versions of the Apple Watch. Okay? So keep that in mind, and they do have all of the sizes available. So the 38 millimeter, the 40 millimeter, the 41 millimeter, the 42 millimeter, the 44 millimeter, the 45 millimeter, and the 49 millimeter, all available. All right? Now let's talk pricing. So this particular color y'all see here is the black on black Velcro. All right, and that's number one. And then the next color they have here is like a dragon fruit. But looking at it, I would say it's more like a hot pink and purple with pink highlights. But they call it dragon fruit. And then after that, they also have a sand pink, which is what I would call a light white with light pink highlights and some purple touches on the Velcro. But they're calling it sand pink. Okay. Then after that, they have a pomegranate, and damn, that pomegranate is bright. It makes my eyes hurt when I look at it. I would say that pomegranate is kind of like a mixture between hot pink and orange with light purple highlights for the Velcro. And then after that, they have a smoky purple. And that smoky purple actually looks like a dark gray with gray highlights. That smoky purple is not bad, actually. And then after that, they have a starlight. And in my opinion, the starlight kind of looks like an off-white. And that starlight actually looks pretty good. All right? And then last but certainly not least, they have a white and gray. And I have to say the white and gray looks really good as well. It's kind of all white with gray highlights, and then it has like a little checkered pattern with the Velcro area here with little gray and white checkered patterns in it. I have to say that looks really, really good. So that goes over all the colors. And in terms of the pricing, all of the colors, regardless of the color you decide to go with, and regardless of the sizes, in terms of the pricing, it's going to be available for $8.99. So basically, to make it easy, you can just round that price off to the nearest dollar value. So it's going to be available for $9. Regardless of the size that you go with or the color that you go with, it's going to be available for $9. That being said, there is currently a 50% coupon available. So that means that $9 will get cut in half. Okay? And at that price, guys and gals, half off, I was already going to recommend this third-party watch band for your Apple Watch. But at that 50% off, it's even more of a recommendation. Right? So is this watch band perfect for your Apple Watch? No, it definitely has some areas where it needs some improvements. But if you're in the market for a third-party watch band like this, so you want like a Velcro sports style watch band like this, and you're not trying to spend a lot of money to get that, I can definitely recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this one up. Okay, so once again, if I was unclear, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this one up? I would have to say yes. Yes, indeed. Okay, and I can honestly see myself wearing this particular band on a regular daily basis because this works perfectly for everything that I do on a daily basis. And even if I go out, this still looks clean enough to wear out for regular occasions. I don't think it'll be good enough to wear out for formal occasions, but regular occasions like dinner and a movie, or, you know, going out to sporting events with my friends, going out to the bar, what have you, this should work just fine. And it still looks great enough for me to wear it regularly. Okay? So yeah, I can definitely see myself wearing this watch band full time for the Apple Watch SE. Alright, that pretty much does it for today's video, everyone. As I said, I hope everyone enjoys today's video, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Okay? I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right. Man, this looks really good, and it's mad comfortable, and aside from that clasping issues, it's damn near perfect. I'm really enjoying this. All right. Have a good one, everybody. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace.